Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another paper crafting video. Today I have a really easy shadow box for you. This is my Pride flag shadow box. Isn't that so fun? Great way to show pride. June is obviously Pride Month. Great way to add some pride decor. Super easy to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. Now, if you don't have an account on my website, you can go ahead and click the sign up button. You'll be taken to a page that has our different membership tiers. We have free, monthly, and annual memberships. Go ahead and choose which option is best for you, and then you can go ahead and sign in. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'm going to go ahead and add my credentials and log into my account. And now we're logged into the website. To access the file library, you can go to the Files tab under the main navigation menu and click File Library, and then you're brought to all the files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 195. That's the Pride Flag Shadow Box. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that the file has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this project already to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using. Those inner dimensions are 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using a different shadow box or possibly using this for a card, you can go ahead and use the sizing options up here to change the width and the height. The one thing that I would mention though is to make sure that the proportions are locked. That way you're not going to distort the design at all. Since mine is already set to the dimensions that I need it to be set to, I can go ahead and click Make It. I'll be using the mat for this project, and you'll see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and then it'll be time to put together the shadow box. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Alright, so I have all the pieces cut out, so now it's time to go ahead and start to layer all these up together, and then we can add them to the shadow box. So the larger areas of the pride flag I'm just going to lay on top of each other in the shadow box. You could totally put foam squares behind any of these to make everything pop. And then I'm going to glue these side triangle pieces. I'm going to layer and glue those together and then probably glue that on top of the purple layer. Now don't worry, I have a layering guide within the download that will help show you how to layer everything together. So I'm going to go ahead and glue those pieces together, and then I'll go ahead and grab the shadow box. Okay, so I have my shadow box here all ready to go. I've also put the pins here on the backing piece. This is going to help push everything forward so that we don't have too much space between the front of the shadow box and then the design. So I'm going to set that to the side for a second. Now we can go ahead and start to layer everything inside the shadow box. So I'll start with the layer with the triangles. That's the black, brown, light blue, pink, and white triangles on top of the purple layer. Then the blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, now I'll go ahead and close up the box. And there we have our Pride flag shadow box. Wasn't this one super simple to put together? I love how everything layers together. It comes together really, really quick. You could totally resize this design and put it on a card or make it something different. You could even turn it into a shirt. So many options with this file. I hope that you like it. If you do make this shadow box, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next paper crafting video. Bye!